everybody, welcome back to Gia Storytime. Today we're going to be trying something new called Mo Willems Monday. So every Monday I'll be reading Mo Willems books. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So today's going to be a special episode because my dad's going to be reading this book with us.
Hi.
So today we're going to be reading There Is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. And this book got a Theodore Seuss Geisel Award. Hope you enjoy. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems.
Piggy! Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Oh my god. Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds making a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else?
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked.
Bye.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
They went on his head.
So mad. Oh wait, if you look at it, there's the pigeon instead of, I think, the dad eating a hot dog.
The pigeon showed up. Cool.
I hope you enjoyed There Is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Hope you enjoyed. Come back next time. Bye.
Bye.